final segment of the transformation of something that used to be a symbol of urban blight, the Michigan Central Station.
I have been opening and closing this lot to this chain for almost 5 years.
As Richard Bardelli opens the padlock, he's taking me into a train station that's been cleaned up a lot. The lobby taking shape, the ceiling's finished.
There's 29,000 tiles that make up this ceiling in here. Every one of them had to be touched. And then we had to re-grout it all, so about 8.5 miles worth of grout up there.
Artists help restore what was lost. The floor is mostly original. Bardelli promises when this building opens to the public next year, it will shine like it did in 1913, and they'll never let it deteriorate again. Jeff Gilbert, WWJ, News Radio 950.